Good morning, everyone. Let me ask you something. What do you do when nobody believes in you? When you have a dream, but the people around you tell you that it is impossible? When you work hard, but nobody notices? When you keep moving forward, but deep inside, you wonder, am I wasting my time? If you've ever felt that way, stay with me for the next few minutes, because sometimes the hardest part of chasing your dream isn't failure. It's continuing when nobody is cheering for you. And today, I want to share 5 powerful steps to stay motivated when you feel like you're doing everything alone. Step 1, remember why you started. Before you look for motivation from other people, remember the reason you started. Ask yourself, why does this dream matter to me? Maybe you want a better future. Maybe you want to change your life. Maybe you want to become someone you can be proud of. Whatever your reason is, hold on to it. Because when people don't support you, your reason becomes your strength. Not everyone will understand your dream. And that's okay. They don't have to understand it. It's your dream. It's your life. And it's your journey. Step 2, stop waiting for approval. Sometimes we don't lose motivation because we're weak. We lose it because we're waiting for someone to tell us, I believe in you. But what if nobody says it? What if you have to be the first person who believes in you? Stop waiting for permission to become the person you want to be. You don't need everyone's approval. You don't need applause. You don't need people to understand every decision you make. Believe in yourself before asking the world to believe in you. Step 3, focus on one small step. When nobody supports you, your dream can feel enormous. You look at your goal and think, how am I ever going to get there? Don't think about the entire journey. Think about the next step. One page, one workout, one lesson, one application, one conversation, 1 hour of focused work. Small steps may look insignificant today, but repeated every day, they become progress. You don't have to change your whole life today. You only have to make one small move forward. Step 4, learn to encourage yourself. There will be days when nobody says, good job. So learn to say it to yourself. When you make progress, acknowledge it. When you make a mistake, forgive yourself. When you fail, learn from it. And when you're tired, rest instead of quitting. Remember, being strong doesn't mean never feeling weak. It means you don't let a difficult moment decide your entire future. Your journey may be invisible to other people, but that doesn't make it meaningless. A seed grows in darkness before it becomes a tree. Your growth may be happening quietly right now. Step 5, let your results speak. If people don't believe in you, don't spend your life trying to convince them. Build instead. Learn. Practice. Improve. Work quietly. Keep showing up, because eventually your results will speak louder than your explanations ever could. And one day, you may look back and realize something. You didn't need everyone to support you. You needed the courage to keep going. So remember these 5 steps. Number 1, remember why you started. Number 2, stop waiting for approval. Number 3, focus on one small step. Number 4, learn to encourage yourself. Number 5, let your results speak. And if you're listening to this right now while feeling alone, remember this. Being alone in your journey does not mean you're going in the wrong direction. Sometimes, the beginning of your greatest chapter looks like nobody believes in you. So keep going. Even when it's difficult. Keep going when nobody notices. Keep going when progress feels slow. Because one day, you may look back and say, I'm glad I didn't give up when nobody believed in me. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me. I hope this message gives you the strength to take one more step toward the life you want. I wish you courage when things get difficult, and patience when progress feels slow, and confidence when nobody else believes in you. Have a beautiful day, everyone. And remember, Believe in yourself. Keep moving forward. Your story isn't over yet.